Wintermelon carrot milk smoothie or cardamom wintermelon carrot milkshake, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cardamom recipes and one of the most unique of the wintermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the wintermelon recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot recipes, one of the most delicious of the healthy smoothie recipes. We're going to make cardamom wintermelon carrot milk smoothie. We have taken around 50 grams of sugar, around 5 to 6 pods of cardamom, around 100 to 150 grams of wintermelon, 100 to 150 grams of carrot. Now put in sugar and cardamom and carrot pieces. Close and grind well. Open. Put in the wintermelon. Close and grind well. Pour in the milk. Close and grind well. Now the wintermelon cardamom carrot milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour in the smoothie into the glasses. Final cardamom wintermelon carrot milk smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy milkshake recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the wintermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the cardamom recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.